In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jobber to Google Calendar. By the end, your Jobber schedule will appear right inside Google Calendar, so you can see work orders and visits alongside your personal events. This is a simple one-way sync using a secure calendar link from Jobber, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Start by going to your Jobber account in a web browser and make sure you're signed in. From the main dashboard, look for the Settings icon and open Settings. Inside Settings, locate the option for Schedule. This area controls how your calendar behaves, and it's where Jobber provides the calendar feed you'll add to Google. Next, choose Set Up Calendar Sync. Jobber will display a unique calendar URL, typically an iCal or ICS link, that represents your schedule. This link is read only, which means events flow from Jobber into Google Calendar, not the other way around. Go ahead and copy that URL to your clipboard. Treat it as private since anyone with the link can view the schedule details it contains. Now switch over to Google Calendar in your browser and sign in with the Google account where you want the schedule to appear. On the left side, find the Other Calendars section. Click the plus icon next to it and choose from URL. This is the option that lets you subscribe to a calendar feed rather than importing a file. Paste the URL you copied from Jobber into the field provided, then select Add Calendar. Google Calendar will subscribe to the feed and create a new calendar under Other Calendars. It may take a moment to pull in your first set of events. Don't worry if it looks empty at first. Give it a few minutes. After the initial load, Google will periodically refresh the feed automatically, so updates made in Jobber will appear in Google Calendar over time. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you paste the entire URL from Jobber without any extra spaces, and if Google reports it can't fetch the calendar, just recopy the link from Jobber and try again. Remember, since this is a subscription, removing it later is as simple as opening Google Calendar settings for that subscribed calendar and unsubscribing. That's it. You went to Jobber, opened Settings and Schedule, set up Calendar Sync to get your unique URL, then added that URL to Google Calendar under Other Calendars using From URL. With that, your Jobber schedule now lives right where you plan the rest of your day. Thanks for watching and enjoy the streamlined view of your schedule.